Wow, you can expect a lot of stuff that you will learn, not just about yoga or meditation or the ancient practices or any of the traditions, but also about yourself. I find it's like a life workshop almost. So I think you can kind of expect that.
And it's a combination of spiritual exercises as well as more dynamics, more physical asana practice, posture practice.
I've learned so much since being here. I've been practicing for a few years, and it's just been even small adjustments in my own practice that I now know that I can carry forward to my students and make sure that they're learning how to perform yoga.
You arrive here, you're fully here, your days are practicing and doing yoga and connecting with people, and that I think is the most rewarding and the most valuable.
I think the biggest recommendation is just come with an open mind and an open heart and be ready to learn and to challenge yourself. You know, it's work for sure, but you know, at least your office isn't so bad. It's a pretty great space to come and do the program.
I think yoga means unity of everything and everyone, and it also means balance. So I believe you should expect to find that here.
Teachers here at Blue Osa are so down to earth and relatable. They're very, very human, so it makes it a lot more comfortable.
Oh my God, the food is incredible. I'm gonna be so spoiled when I go home. I'm not gonna want to actually cook anything. Everything comes from the land, their gardens, their farm.
I was told that there's a cookbook from Blue Osa and I still need to ask for it.
It's fresh. We get different fruits and vegetables from the farm and from the garden. Yeah, it's just on point.
One of the aspects of these yoga teacher trainings is that we really dive into what is healthy alignment. Alignment isn't just for physiological reasons, it's also for mental reasons. There's a mental restructuring of the mind that everything becomes inwardly aligned. It's like answers and questions about your life just start to come to you.
In all actuality, it shouldn't be called teacher training, it should be called life training, because something really magical happens when you step into this program and you learn a lot more about yourself. So I always invite everyone to come in and join with, again, just an open mind and an open heart, and just let it see where it goes from there.
It is an opportunity to step into leadership, to step fully embracing your mission in life, to step into the seat of what it really means to be a yoga teacher. And in that place is where we can really start to hold the space to create transformation